So we had a lot of fun today. So going mini golfing, we have not mini golfed in forever, and that was actually Bella's first time mini golfing, so she had a lot of fun. Mason, he's still too small, but he just had one of the balls and he just was playing. Sorry, I got Barkley here by me. But yeah, no, it was nice. It was really long. It took us like almost 3 hours to do a course with the kids, but that's okay. We came home a little bit later than we wanted to. Drove around a little bit, checked out some more of the town that we were in, and I needed to come home and take a shower. It was that hot outside, so very, very hot. We all were sticky, so the girls and I all got showered up and ready for the evening. So we're not gonna go out tonight. You saw we decided to stay in and make dinner. We have been going out every single day, but we've been doing a really, really late lunch. So by the time it's dinner, we don't want to eat anything. So just grilling, just gonna relax for the night. Girls are having fun downstairs, building forts and playing games. And yeah, I'm not sure what we're gonna do the rest of our vacation, but don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I will see you guys in our next vlogcation. Bye.